absolutely awesome event. We're having lots of fun with residential funding, and I highly recommend it for the next go-round.
I really think it's one of the best things that a real estate agent can do to get some exposure to their listings and excellent positive feedback from other professionals. I mean, how rare is that? How much would I like to be in a caravan of 45 other accounts that's helping me to look at my work to tell me how I can improve it for free? It would sound like a good deal. And also for other sponsors, I urge everyone who's related to this industry to sponsor as I've done today. I've already made, it's only half the day's done, I've already made 30 great connections that I know is going to lead to meetings and to business for me. So for everyone involved, I urge you to contact Justin to learn how you can be involved with it.
I love the tour today. It's very informative. We met a great group of agents and vendors. It's really a good experience. So for our first experience, it was A+.
Amazing so far. The houses are great, the agents are great. It's great that you have people from all different aspects here. You're getting everyone's opinion. So it's a really good idea, and we've already had like neighbors come out and ask what we're doing. So it's obviously working, and I don't see why anyone wouldn't come to this.
We as agents, we've had the opportunity to meet so many different people, got so many different opportunities, and just branching out and being able to just put ourselves out there.
Catchy Parker Realty, and I'm on the Caravan with residential funding, and we're having a great time.